Hello everyone, welcome back. Myself Pranjali Mishra, and we are continuing with our series where we are solving GATE questions on the subject Theory of Computation. Let's get started with our question number 4. The question 4 says given language L1 will looks like 6 and contains even number of zeros, and a language L2 which looks like 6 and contains odd number of ones. Number of final states in language L1 union L2 will looks like which of this option. We have to find which of this option is correct. We have given a diagram which with the help of which we can solve this question. Let's get started with our solution. So to find the number of final state in the language L1 union L2, let's consider the two language L1 and L2 separately first. For L1, which contain a string with an even number of zeros, we can construct a deterministic finite automata with two states. State A represents an even number of zeros and state B represents an odd number of zeros. From state A, upon reading a zero, the deterministic finite automata remains in state A, since even plus even equals to even, and upon reading a 1, it transition to state B. From state B, upon reading a 0, it transition to state A, and upon reading a 1, it remains in state B. State A can be considered as the final state. Now for L2, which contain a string with an odd number of ones, and we can similarly construct a deterministic finite automata with two states, where state A represents an even number of ones and state B represents an odd number of ones. From state A, upon reading a 1, the deterministic transition to state B, since even plus odd equals to odd, and upon reading a 0, it remains in state A. From state B, upon reading a 1, it transition to state A, and upon reading to a 0, it remains in state B. State B can be considered as the final state. When we take the union of these two DFAs, there will be two final states, one from each languages, state A from L1 and state B from language 2. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, that is 2, because in the question it has been asked to us that how many final states we are going to have. So we are going to have two final states from two languages. From language 1, state A will be final, and from state 2, language 2, state B will be final. So the correct answer for this question will be 2. That's it for this question. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.